The time is 6:15 on this Sunday morning. It's the WDSU First Warning Weather Impact Day. The sun is coming up behind us on the Pontchartrain Conservancy cam. I can feel the heat from the screen.
You know, you have better perception than I do. Maybe you're like a superhero. You can actually feel the heat. Not me. I really can't. I can feel the humidity, maybe.
Hey, I'm not a superhero, but this morning when you walked out the door,
big A on your chest, Super Aubrey. Dun, dun, dun. Never know.
If only. This is the superhero right here. You've got the meteorology degree and expertise.
I'll tell you, the superpowers would come in handy if you're a meteorologist. And we actually do have some interesting weather to talk about here in the next 48 hours. Not only about the heat, you know about this already. Heat advisory in effect. Today's going to be a lot like yesterday. Yesterday we got to 96 for the high temperature. Today I think we're going to be about 96 to 97. The thing that we're concerned about is the fact that over the next couple of days, especially tomorrow, thunderstorms could be kind of active for us. We're starting warmer this morning than yesterday. 74 Bogalusa, 78 in Hammond. We're actually in the low 70s yesterday on the North Shore. Obviously, the warm-up is going to be very quick today, officially at Louis Armstrong International Airport. Look at that dew point, 79. That's a high dew point, even for this time of year. Winds from the west at about 6 miles per hour. Captain Denny's boating forecast. I almost forgot we had this. Good day on the water again. Sure, it's going to be warm. 93 degrees at noon, 94 degrees once we get to the middle portion of the afternoon. Maybe an isolated storm, but the morning through about 2 o'clock is looking good. Those winds will be from the west at about 5 knots. And the latest lake temperature, 88 degrees. All right, let's go to the tropics because there's something we're watching. It's not the Gulf and it's not the Caribbean. It's a long ways off. There are actually 3 waves that the Hurricane Center is watching. One, open waters of the Atlantic. Another one on the other side of the Atlantic. Both of those, very, very small chance for development. This is the one we'll be tracking this week. It comes off the coast of Africa Monday. According to the Hurricane Center, 50% chance for development. I was looking at some of the longer range forecasts. I think there's going to be more dry, dusty air mixing in, but it's obviously so far off. We'll just watch it. We'll see what happens as we go through the week. Here comes another front. It's not going to get here. It's a cold front moving very, very slowly to the south. It may help to trigger a couple of showers in central Louisiana tomorrow, but I think as we look toward Monday, actually today it may trigger a few isolated showers. Monday we're going to get that better chance for rain because this front is going to get a little bit closer, and I think the thunderstorms that do develop to the north of us, they could trigger outflow boundaries, and I think late in the day tomorrow, the thunderstorms are going to be fairly active. The Storm Prediction Center puts us in the marginal risk category today to see a storm that could contain some gusty winds. The chance for rain, though, officially is only at about 20 to 30%. Here we go tomorrow. Not only could we see a storm that contains gusty winds, but maybe some brief heavy rain could produce some isolated flooding. Today, let's go through the models. It'll play out a lot like yesterday till the mid-afternoon. Then once we get to about 3 o'clock, okay, we're picking up on scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms, chance for rain officially at 30%. But look at what the models do for us on Monday. First thing in the morning, nothing unusual, mid to upper 70s on the North Shore. In the afternoon, though, check this out. By the noon hour, already picking up on a little bit of rain, but bingo, here's your afternoon. 3 o'clock into 6 o'clock. Numerous showers and thunderstorms. This is when we could get the heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds. Looks like Monday is probably going to be the wettest day for us over the next 7. So weather impact today because of the heat, that small chance we could see a strong storm. Weather impact on Monday because those storms are going to be much more numerous. Chance for rain going down a little bit and the temperatures going down by the end of the week. WDSU First Warning Weather.